Oh, young fly nigga, I kick big shit. Yeah, plug my wristlet, plug my big wrist.
Whoa, hey, I know I just got you, man. I know I just got you. You thought I was about to unrad, didn't you? Nah, but look, before I get into the unrad, man, look, in the video right here, I'm gonna be dry brushing. And before we jump into it, man, I want y'all to really pay attention to how my way is going and how I'm brushing my hair, you feel me? You brush like you want your waves to go. So my brush is my pencil. It's like I'm drawing how I want my waves to go. This right here, the do-rag I got on is a very do-rag, man. If you haven't seen my review on that, I'll link it right there. We're gonna hop right into the video, man. Let's get it, man. Gang! Right here is a waving merch brush. You can check this out at wavingmerch.com. You can click the link or go down in the description and check it out. Hey, Lord, I know you probably be like,
hey Drizzle, why do you dry brush anyway? Why you just don't put no product in your head?
Look, listen, man, look, I'm gonna be honest with you, man. Like I always say, man, I'm gonna keep it a whole 100 with you, bro, a whole buck. I'm gonna keep it a whole 100 with you. Look, I dry brush, I'm being honest now. I dry brush cause I don't want my hands to get all sticky, man. You feel me? Ain't nobody got time for that. For me, my hair don't really mess up like when I'm dry brushing. It might get a little bit frizzy, but I'm gonna tell you a little secret, man. Come here. Bring it in. I'm supposed to be telling you this, but if you gonna dry brush, right? If you gonna dry brush, you need to comb first. That means, when I say comb, I want you to use the rake method, okay? Now, I ain't did no video on the rake method yet, but it definitely coming, you feel me? It coming soon, so yeah, man, so we're gonna get back into it, man. Let's get it.
Silky beat.
Watching this video at this time right here, you might want to press this subscribe button. But yeah, we're gonna get back to the video.
Silky beat.
I appreciate you for rocking with me. Me and RG3 got a 11-week wolf challenge going on, man. Look, this gonna be epic, man. I want y'all to really follow this journey, man. Like, this one right here, this gonna be a classic, man. You feel me? We both course hair, man. Healthy course hair, you feel me? So, dope challenge, man. Man, if you're not a part of the Drizzle game, man, you need to join the game right now. It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, and I'm out of here. Gang.